onye na-ada alone la malifu na-lose. Dreams is super important to spiritual beings and Igbo mmadụ bụ. So I am really key. We cannot normalize now some people had that phone lover. Obu a sure sign that something is wrong. So obu na gwana de chetan log ni da lodun locha. Yeah, a few things. Ito ikenga. 3 things here I try out. Kema no we change nya. Nkembu flee from cold. Boy, I started using my duvet again, and from not dreaming or especially dreaming in months, right? I started having 3 dreams a night. All very clear. I remember them very clearly. Ojiakor cold and he freeze in my cosmic antenna. I go like DSTV to DSTV in bad weather. 2, de-stress your spirit from a stressful day. Go after hustling and bustling in the main market. Stress, maybe you looking more. So, jiluholi Ezumezu, we able to nata more. The way does equal your aura. 3, bolo change what you eat. You get obone try these other things and you still no get changes. What people go do cassava, for example, many other toxic foods, right? And I don't know for somebody whose body is not telling them not to eat toxic foods yet. But first of all, after you try other things and you still can't see your otherworldly adventures, your otherworldly nightly adventures, Afia, all the crucial. What people go do fufu for a week. Kima, my changes. So, thank you for still streaming Holy Ezumezu despite my reduced advertisement. Don't mean no banyago. And don't mean people who may use here. So I'll appreciate it. Yeah. And remember to consult me for your Igbo consultancy. Yeah. Ask me about Afia, ask me about rituals, ask me about anything Igbo spirituality. Yeah. Yeah, biology.